Try to knock me down, but I won't go down. Try to knock me down, but I won't go down. Try to knock me down, but I won't go down. Try to knock me down, but I won't go down. Because I'm a resistant, the one today, the resilient is in my soul. Saying that I am resilient when I do my thing, and I'm doing my thing on show. Saying I started right now, trying to start on this, and you starting up on me too. They trying to go and knock me down today, but I'm not going to. I said, hey, they trying to knock me down. I'm saying, hey, they trying to knock me down. So DT Hope 23 TV, I see you in the house today. Some other people having fun today. The innocent that's where we stay. Got the Kendall Wilkinson in the house today, and you know his name is Chris. Got the rooted in the central oil in the house, and they're trying to knock him down on it. They're trying to knock him down, but we won't go down. Trying to knock us down, but we won't go down. Trying to knock us down, but we won't go down. Trying to knock us down, but we won't go down. I seen the A resilient dead over there, and they tried to go and knock him down. But he is resilient in what he do, the soul know he's not going down. That everybody trying to keep us down, but we not gonna stay there. But still I'm over here to let me show my love and let me say that I'm going there. They trying to knock me down, but now I'm going down. I'm trying to talk about you, but it's going down. They trying to knock me down, but I'm not going down. Everybody wanna see that we not going down. I'm saying that people wanna try to keep us down today, but they're not gonna keep us down. Let me talk about you people just having fun, but still you trying to go and keep me down. But I'm not gonna stay down on that ground, because I got this in my vein. Got that resilient in my vein today, and you know I'm going to say you're not going down. Trying to knock me down. They trying to knock me down. They trying to knock me down. They trying to turn me down. They put me in that ground. They trying to turn me down and knock me down. I said I'm not gonna stay on the ground for long, because I got this thing in me. Saying that I am a soldier in my vein today, and I'm doing it up on a beat. Saying the beat is over here to just a pump today, that what is pumping is to straight my heart. Saying that yes, I'm going to show the people now that and we going straight to that time. They trying to knock me down, but I won't go down. Trying to knock me down, but I won't go down. Trying to knock me down, but I won't go down. Try to knock me down, but I won't go down. I'm standing down today. I'm showing you that what I do, that what I'm doing, I like it every day. I'm not gonna go down in your house. I'm gonna keep that pride today. I gotta do the things just to get on by. I'm not gonna stop her down there though. Saying I'm doing my thing and I'm vibing out and I'm standing in the Bible mode. You trying to knock me down, but I won't go down. You trying to knock me down, but I won't go down. You trying to knock me down, but I won't go down. You try to knock me down, but I won't go down.